In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon LBP6030 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there. All you need to do is to copy it. And once you have copied it, please proceed to your Google Chrome browser and here at the address bar, please paste the link that you have copied and click on the enter key and you would be navigated to this page. So you can see here image class LBP6030, the printer driver that we would like to install in our Windows. So here it will automatically detect our operating system. If not in your case, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11. Okay, and once done, click on this down arrow key and choose the language that you would like to go with. You can also use the search bar here and search the language that you would like to go. So click on search here and eventually it will show up this result. So click on this link. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, the moment you click on this one, you can now start the downloading process. Okay, so please wait until it would be done. It would depend on the network speed that you are connecting to. And once you are done, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on it and eventually it will show you the driver here. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Once you've selected it, please make a right click and click on cut. Once you've copied it, close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click again, but this time you need to go with paste. So once you have pasted this file, you need to double tap to extract or unzip it, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract this exe file. So go with extract to LBP6030 and wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully created or extracted a file. So by that, you need to proceed to the installation by making a right click here at the start and go with settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together in your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane and locate where the option called Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with the printers and scanners. And afterwards, you would be able to see this option, Add Device. Click on this one and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, please click on Add Manually. And this would appear. Go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Once you've set it the correct printer driver, you need to click on Next, and then you need to go with Have Disk and click on Browse. And to the desktop where our extracted file has been placed, and then scroll the list here and choose for the extracted file. And from that, you need to go with UFR11 or 2. Then you need to go with this UKey underscore ENG or ING. Then select for x64 since Windows 11 has x64-bit PC. So please select the driver, double tap, and eventually it will show you the driver. Click on Open and click on OK. Once done, it will be placed here. Click on Next and try to rename that into Canon LBP6030 for easy identification. Click on Next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this process would be finished. Okay, so once done, you can now click on Next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, check this box. If you don't want to, uncheck it. Click on Finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 6030 in your Windows 11. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.